As the sun rises, many runners lace up their shoes, contemplating the best running style for their goals. Each option presents a unique experience: road, trail, and treadmill. These styles are not just about the surface beneath your feet. They embody a lifestyle and mindset that appeal to different runners. Road running, a common and accessible choice, offers smooth pavements and predictable paths. The rhythm of the solid ground beneath creates a soothing soundtrack, punctuated by the sounds of urban life. However, the repetitive nature of road running may sometimes feel mundane, as scenery changes gradually, leading runners to seek variety in routes or pacing intervals to keep motivation high. It's an excellent option for those training for half marathons or marathons, where consistent pacing is essential. On the other hand, trail running invites a different adventure. Rugged paths, dappled sunlight filtering through trees, and the scent of fresh earth elevate your senses. Each step on this uneven terrain, built for unpredictability, challenges your balance and strength. Trail runners often experience breathtaking views and a deeper connection with nature, yet they should tread cautiously to avoid injuries. This style is perfect for those who crave an escape from the hustle of city life, thriving on the excitement of unpredictable routes and varied elevations. Meanwhile, the treadmill provides a controlled environment ideal for year-round training. Whether in rain, wind, or snow, the treadmill offers a constant surface without the potential hazards of outdoor running. Runners can easily track their speed and distance while customizing their workouts. However, some may find it less exciting, missing the fresh air and scenery of outdoor conditions. Nonetheless, for beginners or those recovering from injuries, the treadmill can provide a safe space to build stamina and confidence. Ultimately, the best running style boils down to personal preference and goals. Each option, road, trail, or treadmill, has its own strengths and unique experiences to offer. While road running may appeal to competitive spirits and time seekers, trail running lures those craving adventure, and treadmills provide a consistent platform for controlled growth. Runners should explore these styles, perhaps rotating among them to find the journey that resonates most with their soul. Embrace the variety in running, and allow each style to enrich your experience.